So today we are doing orientation. It can be simple and it can be hard, kind of at the same time. So we're gonna open our notepad, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this file for our main.lua with our soundboard that we made the other day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do settings equals enter. Those fancy brackets, enter, tab, orientation, space equals, enter, another one of the fancy brackets, enter, tab, default equals landscape, or IGHT. You could do landscape left or portrait, so on and so forth. We'll just do this to make it simple. Go down and we'll do support id equals, and another fancy bracket, and then tab, and then landscape right. So we'll close one of the brackets, comma, close the bracket, comma, and close the bracket. Oh, wrong one. So we'll file save as to the desktop as build.settings. Save it. Yes, because I already had a file on my desktop named build.settings for another project. So we'll drag it over here. And if all goes well, if I don't have to put these in a folder, this will work. So continue trial, open up the simulator, hit the desktop, find our main.lua, right there. And you notice how it automatically opened to the right. So we're going to zoom out so it looks right. So it all still works, all just nice, fine, and dandy. But you notice it doesn't come all the way over here. That's because it's still set to have everything lined up for portrait, not landscape. So that's why it does that. Another thing we can do is, where's my notepad++? There it is. You can essentially do it in the main.lua. Let's see if I can get this to work first time. It's local portrait. No, we don't want this. Never mind. That's part of the other project that I'm doing this from, because this is a lot to do from memory. So it's local function on orientation change if event.type equals landscape right, or event.type equals landscape left, then local new angle equals landscape dot rotation minus event dot delta transition dot 2 landscape comma fancy bracket time equals 150. This time is in a millisecond, so it's 150 milliseconds. 1,000 milliseconds equals a second. Rotation equals new angle. And close the fancy bracket, close the regular bracket. Enter transition Oh, I messed that up. I messed it up previously. Oops. Dot 2. Ah. I'll come down to port. Nope, we don't need this. This is for something else. So I'll come down to here. Else. Local. New angle. I have a feeling I'm messing something up. Hold on, guys. Oh well, if I do mess something up, we'll just fix it. No cuts, no edits. Minus event dot delta. Oops, that's caps lock. So we got basically the same thing. So we got transition dot 2, except it's portrait to landscape. So come over here, grab this, place that. We'll pick up from there. So I'll come over here and do landscape. And we'll snag the rotation angle. So then we'll end and end. Save it. Minimize that. Corona. Continue trial. Simulator. Desktop. Main. Oh, forgot about that build file. So we'll come over here and mess this up. See if that'll break that. Yep, it broke it. Good thing. And then we'll hardware, rotate left. And nope, something's not working. So I had forgotten about the display, or not display listener, runtime event listener, because I'm an idiot. So here we go. Runtime :add event listener. Save it and we'll try it again. Oh, I already got this opened, I think. Yes, I do. So come over here, bring it open, refresh it, hardware, rotate. So my debugger's telling me I have an error, line 27. So we'll bring this up. Go to line 27. So we'll find what we have our error with. So we have a local new angle, alright, space equals landscape dot rotation minus event dot delta. Just looking for I think I see the issue. Transition and transition, so save it. Come back to Corona, see if this makes it work. Hardware, rotate. Nope, line 27 now. Still. So event. Landscape. Portrait. Okay, so I figured out with some help from my peers and my teacher what was wrong. Basically, everything here has been added to the landscape display group by local landscape display group equals display.new group, and just this added into all of them, and then the reference point set, so it's right in the center, and then the height of the screen, it goes right down to the middle, so this is its new point. It also prints out in the debugger, just you don't need that, just to help, so we can just poof, save it, and this is what I've whittled that down to, because this is all we really need. Sorry about all the extra stuff. And change this and that to the landscape group. And you save it, which it already is. Come over here, relaunch it. Now this isn't up nice in the corner like it was. It's right down in the middle of the screen. But when you rotate it, which would be like on the device, if you rotate your device, rotate right, it spins. And then we'll rotate right again. So now it's upside down. And rotate right one more time. And then back to normal. And it works left or right, so. There we go. Hope I helped.